Here are 6 things that I do to become faster in Excel. First thing, learn Excel shortcuts. Learn keyboard shortcuts. You will always be faster in keyboard than in mouse. And if you don't know any of the keyboard shortcuts, but you know where it is located here, use Alt key and it will teach you all the shortcuts. Alt, and then it will show you how to go about it. Let's say I want to remove the duplicates in this. And I know that duplicates is available in this data. So every time instead of using the mouse and instead of going here, do Alt and then A, it is teaching. Yeah. 1 or 2 times it will be time taking. But from the 3rd or 4th time, you will automatically do it and you will not even realize that your hands are doing this action. Second tip is use key. Tab key is the most underrated key which has not been used properly. You know that text to columns is available inside data, but let's use shortcuts. Alt and it says A and then it says E. So let's use Alt A E. Here also try to use the tab most. Then fix it with. Then I will insert a thing here, and here also I will use tab key. Take. Finish. Alt AE, delimit it, and I'm going to use, and I have pasted the symbol, and next, and it's done. I will use Control 1, and you press tab and then it goes down, and you press Control tab and it goes to the next one, and I want date, so I will click yes. Let's say I want to put subtotal here, type SUB, and you go down and then you click tab and it types the whole formula, 9, and then I'll select all the cells. And third tip is just use your mouse. Wherever you are using your mouse, you have to try to find out the keyboard shortcuts for the same. Let us say I want to bring this down to a normal thing. I will usually use a mouse. You can bring it to 100% view with a Alt, View W, and just J. So it brings to the normal 100%. The fourth tip is use your quick access toolbar. I have seen a lot of people not making the best use of this quick access toolbar. You can see that I have a lot of functions here which I use often. Let us say I want to make a border, but it is none of these borders. I want to customize the border. Then so I have this thing here. I use hide and unhide sheets a lot. So I don't like going here and then doing a right click and then hide and unhide. So I got that here. This is for hiding and this is for unhiding. So here are just all the things that I use very often and for which the keyboard shortcut is either not available or which is complicated. I have got all these things here. And tip number 5 is customize your template. Customize template, what I mean is your default Excel is built in this way. It gives 3 sheets and it has these grid lines. And if you create a table, it has these basic designs. But you can make better use of it also. I have customized Excel in a way, if I create a new Excel, it will always come with the 3 sheets, but it will not have grid lines. And if I create a table, my default table will have this border, this header, and this color. All of my new Excels will always have this as a default. This saves you a lot of time formatting the data, and you can customize this with as many of number of sheets you need and with how you want it to be viewed. And then you do all of this changes. And then while saving, you go to save as. You browse the location where the actual template is saved. My default location is this one. I will go here and I will save it as Excel template. This will make sure every time you open the Excel, it will always have 5 sheets with the grid lines off and this table as a default. Final tip is use tables for formatting and for data organization in a faster way. You can just go to table design and create a new table style and you can customize all of this and create it as a default for your Excel in your Excel template. That's it for today and thank you for watching the whole video.